How to make a French omelet. You need a good omelet pan. This is spun steel, and I don't know if you can get these anymore. It weighs about 900 grams and it is perfectly shaped for an omelet. I don't recommend using ones with non-stick surfaces. There's a bunch of chemicals in there that slough off into the environment, and they're not good for you or the environment. Anyhow, you want to put a fair amount of butter in there. You want to have your eggs at room temperature. Always crack your eggs on a flat surface so that you don't get eggshell into your mixture. I use 3 eggs for my omelets, but you can use 2. Oops. I'm getting old and clumsy. There you go. Don't overbeat your eggs. You don't want to get air into them. If you get air into them, a lot of air into them, they won't. Your omelet won't set properly. So just a little bit of whisking, and you're done. Your pan should be hot, your butter melted, and not brown. Once you get to that point, put your eggs in. Let it sit for a sec, and then just start pulling it into the center. You want a hot pan. At this point you can turn the heat up. Keep moving it around. Once you've got it to this point, if you want to put a filling in it, put a filling. This is Asiago cheese and this particular salami. Put it off to one side, and then fold it a little bit. First fold there. And there you go. Not the best one I've ever made, but it'll do. Enjoy. Oh, and if things don't work out too well, just remember, this is what my lawyer said.